Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to shape and sculpt your brows. So they go from looking like this to enhance your eye. We just need two products. We've got the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Shaper, Instant Lift Brow Pencil, which is basically just a pencil on one end. And we have the Stila Stay All Day. This is a felt. Can do very thick lines, also incredibly intricate lines. So yeah, just two products, that's all you need. What we're going to do, there are some loose rules about how you should apply your brows and the shape that they should be. So for me, my rule is that they should start in line with your nose, so you're doing a horizontal line, a vertical line from the side of your nose and up. So we can draw a dot there if that helps you. So essentially we're going there and we want it to start there, okay? Then the pencil, or there should be an imaginary line going straight through your eye, straight through your pupil, which is the black part of your eye, which is where you want it to stop. So again, we'll do another dot. And that's going straight through my line. That's where my angle is going to finish. You can't see it, but I don't want you to. I want it to, it's there, you can see, but you can't see it on the screen because it's very faint. And then the last one should go from the corner of your nose up to the corner of your eye and end around about there. Okay, so we've now got 3 marks on our brow. So what we're going to do is we're going to join the dots essentially. And I'm going to take this line here and draw pretty much a straight line to the other dot, okay? Now this pencil is very, it's not so opaque, so it's good for beginners, and it's good because you can make it darker as you go along. So as I said, we're joining the dots up. Now I have a white milk spot in there, so you will see that that doesn't really disappear. Okay, and we've come to that dot and we're stopping. Now we're going to follow literally down. We're going to go down to the other dot, okay, just in that line. So essentially you've got now an arch, okay. Just going to go over that again. My phone's going to fall onto the floor, sorry. Okay, so we've got a straight line there parallel to that dot which run through our pupil, and then this one here which goes from there to there, okay. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the top. We don't need to draw any lines because we want the eyebrow to be following the same route. Okay, so we're just literally mimicking the line underneath and continuing it along the top until we get to the top of the dot where we started to bend and we stop. Okay, so we're filling that in very lightly. Spoolie will always help because the spoolie helps you push your your hairs up so you can see that you're still within the line. Okay, so we've reached the top of the dot and we're going to join this imaginary dot with the bottom dot. Okay, so we're coming around the corner and just down to that one there, and that really is as simple as that. Okay, so we need to do a little bit of cosmetic work. So that dot to that dot to that dot, and then we're copying the same line from there to that dot, and both these dots join up here. Okay, we're now going to use the very fine pencil. You can get these from anywhere. They're in my Amazon shop and my shop, but essentially it's just a very beautiful fine line. We want I have no hairs here at all, as you saw right from the beginning, and I want to draw some fake hairs. This can be as complicated or difficult as you want. Essentially, you just start off so lightly and just draw hairs. My brow hairs are quite random, so they're not so neat. And I'm going to colour in my little dot there. And I'm just going to grab a little bit of colour in the tail to make the tail a bit more pronounced. And that's it. Then we take our spoolie again because the spoolie just blends things in. I'm going to try and get rid of that harsh one. We did the dot right in the very beginning. I'm just going to put a couple more here. We want them not to be uniform. We don't want it to look perfect. We want it to look just like natural hairs, and then natural hairs don't grow in any one particular direction. So we're spooling over, essentially making it look a bit more natural. And there we have it. It's as simple as that. Once you've got your symmetry up, now obviously everyone's eye shape is different and it's going to look different on everyone, but you just apply the same rules. Straight up from the nostril, straight through the pupil, and out into the outer corner of your eye. Please try it. It makes a whole difference. It massively opens up your eyes. It makes your eyes look bigger. They frame your face. If you're scared, then try with a taupe. Pick a brush that's just a neutral colour. Pick a pencil that's just a neutral colour, and play. I give advice to people: if you're trying a new item that you're not comfortable using, then just do it before you go to bed at night, because you've got nothing to lose. If it's a bit wonky, then you just have another go the next night until you refine the process. So that's my how to sculpt and shape your eyebrows for beginners. If you want more content like this, then just stick around, because there's a whole playlist coming up now on your screen. Watch it. You won't regret it. Thank you very much.